Hey, what's up guys? This is Arturo from H Group Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a window regulator on a 2012 2012 Toyota RAV4. First, we're going to take this trim off with the trim tool, and we're going to remove the window switch. Just pull the tab right there. Pull the tab. There you go. Just like that. After that, we're going to remove this plastic trim piece right here. Just like that. And this inner one right here by the door handle. After that, we're going to remove this star bolt. We're going to remove it. There's one right there, and then there's two others right here. They're both star. They're three actually. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after we remove those 3 screws, we're going to go ahead and remove the trim panel with a trim tool. Just be really careful pulling these off. It's plastic, old plastic, it can break. Just be really careful taking it off. Just like this. Then remove the this door handle piece. It's for the door latch. We remove that. We remove the this plastic paper right here. I guess it's just for protection. We go ahead and remove that. It has glue, so just make sure you take that all out just to have some space. Let's remove this speaker connector right here, just like that. There we go. Take off this excess glue right here. After that, we go ahead and remove these 3 screws that are Torx 27s. Go ahead and remove these right here from the door, so we can take out the door latch. You kind of have to move it around, wiggle it around. Oh, and we remove this connector right here. Okay, so now we go ahead and move it around. And before you take it out, you have to make sure these wires go through inside, just like that, so we won't bend anything. Okay, just like that. There you go. There we go. Now we remove the door latch. There we go. So now there's this small screw right here inside. You can't really see it. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Make sure you use an extension. This is the broken piece right there inside. Oh, Can't really see. But yeah, there's two bolts right there inside. It's Torx. Two screws. Torx 27s. And this is the other one I'm telling you about. Right there inside. Make sure you use the an extension. There we go. Okay, and make sure it's not all the way off. If it's all the way off, it's going to drop. Okay. Right here, we already installed a new door handle. Make sure that piece is all the way in. The tighter it gets, the better it is. The closer it gets. There we go. Tighten it up a little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Now we go ahead and install the door latch again. Just like that. Get the three Torx screws that go right here on the side. Make sure it's lined up. Going to tighten up these three screws right here. Okay, now we start assembling everything together. We connect that connector right there. And then we go ahead and put everything back together. Just a plastic blue piece cover. All right, so we got everything back together. Now we're connecting back the speaker switch. Okay. Everything is good to go. Ready to be put back. Then we connect this right here. It's the for the window switch. Right here, I'm connecting the latch, the door latch first. The white one goes on top, green one goes on the bottom. Make sure it pulls. There we go. Connecting it together. Now we insert the switch through the hole right there, the connector. Then we line it up. Boom, boom. There we go. Make sure everything is back in order. Now we're going to head and going to put the 3 screws back. Here's one. And here's 2. Let's get that nice and tight. And the one that goes in the middle, I believe is the last one. Now we're going to put back on the window switch, just like that. Okay, and this door trim piece. Then we put this inner plastic piece right here that goes on the door handle. And that's about it.